how true is not enough.
What is up? This is Gent Vibe, your go-to channel for men's fashion and grooming. If you want tips, tricks, and hacks on how to be your best every single day, tune in by subscribing down below. Now, I don't mean to be judgmental, but after endless interactions with countless people, there are just some socially unacceptable habits that make me go and I'm sorry, but I don't make the rules. Luckily, you are subscribed to my channel, and it is my goal to prevent each and every one of you to commit the same mistakes that I've done. And if you haven't yet, make sure to do so, because today I am going to be talking about 5 common Filipino habits that make people instantly dislike you. And like always, what to do about them. And we're starting with the first habit on this list is excessive cursing. If there's one thing that makes me or anybody else for that matter want to stop having a conversation with somebody, it's this one. Excessive cursing makes you look and sound disrespectful and that you don't know proper social etiquette. Ultimately, this will lead a lot of people around you to think that you're illiterate, therefore giving them the reason to stop talking to you. Given this, you have to find solid ways on how to break this habit, because the sooner you do, which is probably now, the better you're off. The second common habit that makes everybody instantly dislike you is posting too much photos of yourself on social media. I believe that this is pretty much self-explanatory, but unfortunately, it's not the case for everybody. There is absolutely nothing wrong with posting about yourself on social media, and I have no right to keep you from doing so. But if you want to avoid looking like you're trying to be the center of the universe, you have to limit these posts. And one way of doing so is only having to post about the relevant points of your life, like graduating from college, your first job, birthdays, and so on and so forth. The third common habit on this list is weak handshakes. Handshakes are one of the best opportunities to make or break a first impression. Offering a limp one delivers a message that you're shy, guilty, or anxious about the situation. While on the other hand, strong and firm handshakes are often associated with social confidence, professionalism, and competence. And like anything, this can be mastered through the art of practice. The fourth habit that makes people instantly dislike you is gossiping, or what we Filipinos know as chismis. Don't get me wrong though, not all gossip are bad. For example, showing concern for other people may actually relieve stress and contribute to a positive environment. What I'm talking about is the type of gossip that aims to talk behind people's backs, because this one revolves around blame, shame, resentment, and hate. And believe me, nobody's gonna want to be around the very people who foster such an atmosphere. The fifth and final Filipino habit that makes people instantly dislike you is poor hygiene. And obviously, I can't stress this enough. Your personal hygiene speaks volumes about your character, personality, and needless to say, your physical aesthetic. Having poor hygiene negatively affects your interactions with other people, and because of limited opportunities, your own personal growth. What's bad about this is that you might actually be the smartest, richest, and most popular guy in the room, but if you consistently show up with ungroomed facial hair, untrimmed fingernails, and a smelly shirt, all those good things are gonna go down the drain, bro. So take the time to groom yourself by fixing your hair, wearing a fragrance, or simply taking a bath every single day. Because trust me, the opportunities that you can get from these small steps are endless. So do you think that there are other habits that make other people instantly dislike you? If you do, make sure to let me know down in the comment section below. Also, if you'd like to see more videos like this in the future, upload every Sunday, and you can catch them by subscribing down below. That's it for this week. Vibe out, gents.